Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this Blackberry Mojito Mocktail. So this is a drink that does not have any alcohol in it, but it is in the style of a mojito. So I got some blackberries, and the great thing about this recipe is it really doesn't matter how you make it. You could do raspberries, you could do strawberries, you could do whatever. The things that are in a mojito is some sort of muddled something, mint leaves that are muddled with it as well. That's the important part. That's the green stuff I put in. And then it's an alcohol and a sparkling water. Like that's pretty much the basis, and some simple syrup. That's the basis of a mojito. But I am choosing to use some blackberries, some mint leaves, and a little bit of honey instead of simple syrup because I thought that was easier. And then when you muddle something, you're basically just smashing it. And you really want to make sure that you're really smashing the mint leaves well, because that is how you get the minty flavor. It will the mint leaves will release their oils and their flavor as you muddle it. You want to take your time doing this. I did not have the proper tools to muddle something, so I'm using the back of a big tablespoon and a little bowl. And that's, not everybody has the tools to muddle something, so that's my workaround. I also had, I made one for my husband again later, and I realized that I had some of those spoons that you get at Asian restaurants that are kind of long and flat on the bottom, and I used one of those that time and it worked great. So now I'm going to do a little bit of a sugared rim just for fun. And so I poured a little bit of my ginger ale in a bowl. I dipped my glass in there, and then I dipped my glass in the sugar. That's how you do a rim on something if you want to add sugar or salt to a rim. It's really simple. And then I'm pouring my blackberry concoction into my drink with the ice. And then I'm going to pour ginger ale on top of it. You could do sparkling water if you wanted to, but I wanted ginger ale. And this was great. This was a really nice, fun afternoon drink. And I don't really like to drink that much, so it was nice to have something that was kind of fancy like a cocktail, but without the alcohol. So if you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.